Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a mathematical expression that is 15 divided 3 by 5 times 5. So let's start with today's video solution. This looks simple, but still many people fail to solve it because they cancel out the 5 with 5 and 15 divided by 3, they write it 5, which is the incorrect answer. Because they did not follow the right approach when you have given multiple operation, that is division, then multiplication, then you have to follow a order of operation which is also known as PEMDAS or PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. Here P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, D and M is division, multiplication. Both have same priority, just solve it from left to right. Similarly addition and subtraction. So here first we have given division and then multiplication. So we have to solve it from left to right. So while solving left to right, so we have division sign. So you have to follow KCF rule, which say that K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. So that means keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication, flip the right hand and write the last term. Can now cancel out 3 with 15, it's 5. So what is left? 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25 times 5, 125. So what is the correct answer? 125, not 5. I hope each and every step is clear and you learn something new. If you find it useful, don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.